Hey guys, it's Mylann and I'm back with another video. For today's video, I'll be showing you, obviously you can probably tell by the title of this video, but for today's video, I'll be showing you guys my own personal graphic tee collection, as well as some of my newest graphic tees that I got. So I'm really excited to share this with you guys because like, as I've been growing and maturing my style and really trying to understand like what I like, what is flattering to my body, and what is my aesthetic, or like what like I don't know how I want to express myself in my fashion sense. I have really grown to love graphic tees. So I just thought today I would just show you guys my own personal graphic tee collections. So the first shirt, let's just get started with the first shirt. This is my first shirt. It is just a shirt I got from Marshall's. It is a primarily white shirt, and it has like a little black logo here, which is like a crown. This is a Jean-Michel Basquiat inspired shirt. This is the back. I really love this shirt because it's very colorful and vibrant. Let me see. And this shirt was $7.99 at Marshall's. So you guys, if you're ever looking for a really affordable graphic tee, try Marshalls or TJ Maxx in like the men's section. They are really great. This is a size small, I believe, in men's, and it is still like a little baggy and oversized, not too oversized, but I really love the graphics. So let's get on to the next one. So here is my second graphic tee. As you can see, it is just like a black graphic tee. I don't remember what size this in. Again, the size this was. I thrifted this shirt from the men's section again, so don't sleep on the men's section. They always have really good graphics. This is just kind of the back of it and what it looks like. This is basically like a really simple black shirt. It's kind of like a little bit more form-fitting, less baggy, but I really like the simplicity of it. And it just has like this kind of like mustard yellow kind of like font and lettering on the front. It's inspired by like the sandwich shop in Boston, and if you don't know, I live in Boston. So this is shirt number 2. Again, this shirt was thrifted, so I'm not really sure of the exact price, but I'm pretty sure it's anywhere between probably like $5.99, probably around $5.99 for this shirt. But this is really cute. I love this shirt. And let's get on to the next one. Okay, so I'm back with my third shirt. So this one I got again because I wanted to try and like do a recreating Pinterest looks outfit. So I got this shirt with hopes to try and use it to like recreate some Pinterest outfits. I thrifted this from Savers, and I think again like this shirt was probably like $5.99. The last shirt I got was also from Savers, so it's a thrifted shirt. Definitely again look for thrift stores to find really nice graphics. So it's just a this is Orleans Firebirds, but this is like a part of the Cape Cod baseball league. If you don't know, Cape Cod is also in Massachusetts. But this is just like a really black shirt. Obviously there's nothing on the back, but I really do like this graphic tee. I wear this graphic tee all the time, even if I'm just lounging. This is like a really great graphic tee. Let's show you guys a little bit more up close what it looks like. This is really nice. I love the colors, and I have like a whole bunch of shoes that I feel like I can wear with this graphic tee. And this shirt is like a medium in men's, so it's a little more oversized, a little baggier than the other shirts that I've shown you guys, which I really like. But let's get into the next shirt. So you guys, I really love this shirt. So this is a shirt that I kind of DIY'd myself. This is a split graphic tee. So basically I used 2 different shirts and then I sewed them together. And then this is the back. So as you can tell, like this shirt has like a very Rasta vibe. We have like a lion on one side, a bull on the other side, and the bull has like that kind of like Jamaican colored beanie, and then the lion has dreadlocks, so it's kind of like that Rastafarian type vibe. This shirt actually was one of my cousin's old shirts, so it was a free shirt, and then I just decided to take both of the shirts and split it in half. I actually am like, you know, in the process of, you know, just building up my own personal clothing brand. So that brand, like this is something that I would sell. Like I would just recreate something from like a thrift store or secondhand. And over here, I just kind of like spritz dyed it because I really like this, the way that it washed out. So now we have like this kind of like tan, kind of like brown color on one side. And we just have like this solid black on the other side. This is really, really nice. I really love this. Again, this is like a men's medium, men's large. And I think for me personally, my size, just to give you guys like a little bit of like background about me, you know, I'm like 5'6", 5'7", somewhere around that. Last time I checked, I was 5'6" and 3/4, so basically 5'7", but I just go by 5'6" because that's what it begins with. Like 5'6", I would say, like I wear like a size 10 in pants. I usually wear like in women's shirts, I usually wear like a medium, maybe like a large, and like sometimes I can fit a small, so like it just depends on what size I'm looking for. But if that helps you, I think that if you're like around my size or you feel like you're similar to my size, definitely a size medium in like kind of like men's graphic shirts will definitely give you like that oversized baggy feel without drowning you out, you know. But again, find out whatever you like and do it. But let's just get on to the next shirt. Well, I'm all messing up my hair. It doesn't really matter because it's almost wash day. But this is my next shirt. I got this shirt from Boohoo a few years ago, like some years ago, maybe like four years ago. I don't even remember how much the shirt cost, but I got the shirt from Boohoo. I believe it was in the women's section. So if you're looking for really great graphic tees as well, try Boohoo as well. They really having some nice graphic tees. But this one just says "Live fast, love forever," and I think that's really, really cute with some flames. You know, like there was a real trend with flames for a while. This is the fit. Me personally, when I wear my graphic tees, this is just like a little tip. If you want to wear a baggier size shirt and still look very flattering in the shirt and not look like the shirt is drowning you out or like making you lose shape or curve, I do like to kind of like have the back of it sitting above the waist of my jeans and then kind of like creating this cascading, I don't know, silhouette in the front, because that just makes the shirt looks more flattering on me, especially when it's like oversized, because it still gives me shirt, like you see like this guy look like a box, but you see this guy got some shape, you feel me? So I'm back, you feel me? And now I have this shirt. I think this shirt is really, 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 really cute. It's just like a black graphic tee with like, it has a race car design on the front, you feel me? And it has like yellows and blues and greens. And I really, really love colorful clothing just because I think that it makes you brighter, it makes you happier. Oh, I'm sorry, I was looking out my window. Let me mind my business. But I think this is really nice. And as you can tell, like the car graphic tees have been very, very popular recently. So I think this is really, really nice. Nothing on the back, but I got this graphic tee from Shein. And I don't remember the price again, but if I can find the price, I will link it in the description box, or I will put it at the bottom of the screen. But this is the shirt. I really think it's nice. It's really, really cute. It's very much a vibe. You feel me? Very much a vibe. I really, really love it. But let's get into the next graphic tee. So we're back with another graphic tee. As you can tell, this is definitely like a more form-fitting graphic tee. It definitely like, it's a little tight around armpits, but I really, really just loved the front. So it has like this very like Renaissance vibe graphic, and I love, 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 love this sand color. Like this sand color is very much a trend at this point, so you're gonna see a lot more sand colored items, like definitely like clothing and jeans. I have like, hold on, I'm not gonna get it right now, but if you watched my Converse Run Star Hike unboxing, I featured this shirt, and this shirt is just like it says Renaissance Pleasure Fair, and then on the back it has a cute little saying on it. Oh, it says all the fairs the stage. I had to look into my other mirror. I have like mirrors like all around my room, so I just had to look into the other mirror to make sure. But this shirt, again, I thrifted this shirt, or I think I got this secondhand from Poshmark. And I think this is in like a small, extra small, but I think it's in men's again, so like, you know, whatever. It definitely doesn't accommodate for like a little bit of chest that much. I mean, it's not like tight, like I can move, but like This is a little tighter of a shirt, but this one is like if you're looking for like a shirt with like a slimmer silhouette, or if you want to find like one of those graphic tees that you can low-key like tuck into like your sports bra or something and make it into like a cute little crop top. This is actually how I styled it in the video. I just kind of like turned it into a cute little crop top by like tucking it inside my bra. So you can also do that with the shirt. Again, that's another little tip. If you want to turn your graphic tee into a crop top but don't want to cut it, tuck it inside your bra. Quick, easy graphic tee hack. So, well, that's 2 hacks. I give y'all 2 tips / hacks on how to style your graphic tees. Remember that. Period. But I really like this shirt. I love the colors. I love just like the simplicity of it, and I kind of like the fit of it, even though it is a little tighter than a lot of my other graphic tees. But I think it's important to have a range of graphic tees because you never know like what kind of graphic tee will look right with what outfit. Like you may have like one graphic tee that looks fire with like maybe some biker shorts or a certain style of jeans, but another graphic tee that's like a little more fitted would look really nice with like maybe like skinny jeans, or like if you want to do that tight on the top, loose on the bottom type of aesthetic. That's a good one too. The next t-shirt. Okay, so here is another graphic tee. I really love this graphic tee, you guys. Like, you guys just don't understand. So I bought this graphic tee from, again, like Poshmark. If you really check out Poshmark or like Depop or some places like that, you can find really affordable graphic tees. I feel like this graphic tee was probably like $5, definitely less than $10. But it's a really cute graphic tee, and it just is like a 3rd annual run to the Cascades. And it's kind of like motorcycle inspired. You know, like people always love those like Harley Davidson inspired graphic tees. This one isn't a Harley Davidson, but I really love the graphics to it. If you didn't watch my other video, which is like a weekend vlog, I did kind of like use this shirt and style it. So I'll put that in the cards as well. And then I'll also show you guys kind of like on the side here. Sorry guys, I was interrupted. I got a call. But I'll just show you guys me also on the side styling this shirt on Instagram, because I did a really cute simple fit, perfect for anything like adventurous or just like if you want a casual comfy fit. That fit was casual, comfy, and dope. It was mad cute. And